So you'll see on your schedules we are ready for lunch, but while we have you captive, please don't move for 5 minutes. You're all in the room at the same time, and we have been working very, very hard to measure the impact of the Launch program. And I'm going to invite one of our longtime collaborators and council members, Carrie Freeman, to come up and just talk to you a little bit about this. Carrie.
All right, very good. So I know everyone is hungry and ready to move, so I will speak very quickly about this. We started, from an Intel perspective, we started engaging in this almost 3 years ago. And we first got the notice that, hey, NASA and USAID and Nike, actually I don't think Nike was even on board yet as a partner, are doing this thing around sustainability. And we thought, now that's really interesting. Okay, we like NASA, we like a lot of technology, we really are into innovation and we're really into sustainability, but what is the value? How do we derive value? How does this whole platform provide value? And then in the last launch forum, we started talking with the partners, and the partners have really said, you know what, we need to move to a space where we're deeply understanding the value of this entire program of launch. If we're looking at it in terms of what is the value to the innovators, what is the value to all of the council members, as well as what is the collective value to society? So are we really having an impact on sustainability like we're hoping to do? And so throughout this event, and for those of you who have participated in the previous events, we have been asking questions, sending out surveys, trying to gather information on what we're calling the shared value. So we're trying to understand what are the financial impacts to your organization, what's the financial value. We're also looking at what are the social impacts, what are the environmental impacts to your organization, and then we're also trying to crack this nut of how do we value collaboration? Because that's something that we don't necessarily think about. How are we valuing everyone's insights into this room? How do we value collaboration that's happening here that's going to go out and build these ecosystems to make these innovators successful? So that's another thing around the measuring of it. So 2 things that we're going to ask for you throughout this process: to engage in conversations with some of the launch team members on why are you here? What is the value to your organization? Someone said last night, well, this is great from an employee perspective. Right? This gives employees a time to engage in the innovator vetting and in the accelerator phase, a time for them to get out of their normal mode and help people and think and expand their thinking about design. Other people have said, you know what, this helps us in thinking about our technology roadmaps from a product perspective. This helps us fill our pipeline if we're looking for investments. So we want to know those sorts of things from you. We also want to know how you are helping build out the ecosystem that we've been talking about and how we could look at the value of that. Post the forum, please provide freely inputs to us whenever we're asking them in terms of measuring things. And if you've got better ideas on how to measure our collective shared value, please let us know as well. There's several people that are working on this project within the launch team, and we're excited about it and excited to yet have another innovation in terms of this collaborative process that we're working towards.